Today we're going to be putting in interactive binder page 22. You will need 3 pink papers that you should have in your green folder. One that looks like this, a half sheet, and then a full sheet. You are going to cut out around the rectangle. You are going to trim up where you need to a little bit here. And then for the last one, same thing, you're going to trim up around the outside here. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so when you're finished cutting, here's what it should look like. Go ahead and pause so that you can get yours cut out. All right, now that you have everything cut, here's what you're going to do. You are going to take the 2 larger pieces, you're going to fold them in half so that it looks like that, and so that it looks like this. And this third one you're going to fold as an accordion. So you are going to fold like that. So again, I'll show you. You're going to put a fold here and a fold there so you can pull all of that out. When you are finished, you are going to glue these down on page 22. So you are going to glue the larger piece here on the side. And then we're going to glue this piece up at the top. And you're going to take the exponent piece and we'll glue it here. So we're going to put glue on the back side of this so that it opens up. Glue on the back side of that. And then for this one here, you can just put glue on this little tab piece right here. And all you need to do is glue that part down right there so that the rest of this will flap open. So again, once you have them glued down, you're going to glue here so that this opens up. Notice I also wrote the words order of operations at the top. Hopefully you have some room. You can do that here at the top, or you can always put it along the side. So after I have those glued in, the last thing I'm going to do is I cut on the dotted lines for each of these, and you cut on the dotted lines for those. So pause, rewind as you need to. But when you are finished, here's what your interactive binder page should look like for page 22.